It's a familiar scene of life lived in lockdown. This is Tony. Tony has been living a solitary existence for the last year. At first, he was happy. He worked his way through numerous box sets and enjoyed his daily exercise. Soon, though, the boredom hit. Tony's social life dried up, and the concept of fresh air began to scare him. As we reacquaint Tony with nature, we must first equip him with the appropriate attire. Let's start at the bottom. The Nike ACG Trail Pant comes in a range of colours and boasts a water-repellent durable construction. For the top half, who doesn't need a nice long-sleeve t-shirt? Why not increase the fleece with the Polartec Wolf Tree mid-layer? The Nike ACG Misery Ridge Gore-Tex Jacket takes its name from the famed hiking spot in Portland, Oregon. No outfit is complete without sturdy footwear. The Mountain Fly-Low comes with an aggressive outsole, which will help you combat the elements. And finally, keep that brain warm, and you're ready for the call of nature. Nike All Conditions gear. Available at wellgosh.com now.